it is made up of, and how these rocks change. Geology uses chemistry, physics, math, computer science, and other forms of sciences. Geology is important because we need to understand the Earth's past and how it has changed so that we can predict where the Earth is headed. As we know, history repeats itself, so understanding the past and how the world works is crucial to our future. Geology is all about how and why. These are two of the biggest questions that are used and answered by geologists. They help us understand how and why things like natural disasters happen and what people can do to not be affected by them, or even to predict them. Geology also helps society understand the materials that make up the Earth. Geologists can study the Earth and help us harvest its resources, just like how they can study the rocks in an environment to find the traces of metals we need to use that are in them. Based off those traces, they can find where deposits of those metals will be. Geology also helps us understand the history of Earth's climate and what the climate might change into. Geology can be used to help us avoid being in the way of a natural disaster, or by making maps showing locations of zones where earthquakes are frequent. Also, where there are volcanoes, as well as form building codes that protect buildings and people from disasters. One of the biggest ways that information and insight obtained through geology have shaped humanity's progress is through the discovery of the Earth's age. Before the discovery, people didn't know if it was thousands or even millions of years old. Before the real age was realized, theories on how the Earth was formed or how the continents were shifted into place were inconclusive. Also, it helped to realize that the age of the universe was incorrect as well. Finding the real age of Earth paved way for the discovery of plate tectonics as well. Through radiometric dating, the Earth was found to be 4.543 billion years old. Without knowing the true age of the Earth or plate tectonics, the way the Earth has been changed or will change could not be found. No one would have been able to tell what the temperature of Earth was like or what kind of temperatures will be reached in the future. It also helped us find how plates in the Earth have moved or are moving, and will help us find where they are moving to. Without the knowledge of how old the Earth is, we'll be sitting clueless and wouldn't be able to estimate the future of our planet or the future of ourselves.